Hello friends! Today we'll learn about eyelets and what we can use eyelets for. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for watching. And please share this video with your friends and with your loved ones and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our DIY tutorials. Today we want to learn about eyelets, dye molds, and eyelet rings. To start with, many of us know what eyelets are, and a number of us use the eyelets as decorative edges for our fabrics, bags. They're also used for canvases or sneakers. So the eyelets serve multifunctional purposes. In fact, there are some eyelets that are so big and they are designed to be used for curtains. Let's learn a little bit about the sizes that we have. There are various sizes for eyelets. What we have here today are the sizes 30. This is size 30, this is size 24, this is size 22, and here we have size 18 eyelets. Now, this size 18 eyelets are majorly used for shoes or for little holes. You can see that the holes are quite tiny. And then this eyelet here, size 22, is what most fashion designers use for corsets. You know those snatching things that we ladies like to wear? So that's the eyelet size that is used for that. And some also prefer for bigger holes to use size 24, whilst the size 30 is majorly used for bags. So when you have your bags, probably leather bags or different fabrics of bags, where you need to pass the handle of your bag through, most people use this size 30. All right, a little bit more about the dices and the dye mold. Here I have size 30 dye mold, and you can see how big it is. It's designed to be used for size 30, and let's try out this and see how perfectly size 30 sits on its dye mold. And the same applies to size 24 dye mold. You can see how perfectly it sits on its dye mold as well. All right, so that's size 24, and that's size 22. This is size 22 dye mold actually. This is size 22, not size 24. And here we have size 24 eyelets. However, we don't have the dye mold for size 24. And the last one we have here is size 18. Now, the interesting thing about size 18 is that size 18 eyelet rings do not come with the washer. So this here is what we call the washer. This flat round item, that's the washer. So other sizes like size 30, size 24, and size 22 come with washer, which is usually applied on the back of the fabric. However, size 18 does not come with a washer, as well as size 16, which is the smaller size next to this, doesn't come with a washer. But one interesting thing about it is that it works perfectly, even without the washer. And what I've observed also, if we compare to the other sizes that come with a washer, is that the other sizes have smooth edges. However, for the size 16, let me take the camera closer. You would notice that the size 16 comes with some jagged edges, and this is what I mean by jagged edges. You can see that it's designed like it has some holes, like some lacerations in there. I'm sure you can see that compared to this one here that is smooth. So that's what complements or makes up for the washer. Thank you for watching, and let's get into the lesson for today on how to fix the eyelet. Hello friends, let's learn how to fix the eyelet ring in quick steps. Super easy way to fix your eyelet rings. First of all, you can put in the lower dye and then place the eyelet ring gently on the lower die. And of course, let's screw this into the upper die. Next step is to make a hole on the fabric. Let's assume quickly that this is where we want our eyelets ring to sit. You can just do this. Have an idea of the size of the hole that will be needed. What I've just done is to make a little bit of marking just to have an idea of the space needed, and then I will go ahead and snipe this to create the hole. Make it a circular one. Please be careful not to make your holes too big so that it doesn't spoil your outfit. So the next thing we're going to do is to place this hole over the dye mold, and then the washer will then go over this. So you could actually use any part of the washer. You could use the front part or the back part for this. Today we're going to be using the front part of the washer, which we will place over the dye mold. And then the last step, and then you press down your handle, the handle of your green machine, ensuring that it goes to the lowest position such that it clamps down the eyelet ring, and then you release, and ta-da, you have your eyelet ring fixed beautifully. Can you see that? This is the back, very well placed, and this is the front of your eyelet ring. All right, so let's quickly go on to the next class. So let's unscrew that. Now we want to fix the size 22 eyelets. And this here is the die for size 22. And here is the upper die for size 22. We're ready. Here's our size 22. This is the size 22 eyelet ring, and here is the washer. Likewise, we place the eyelet ring on the lower dye mold. We make a space for the fabric. So remember not to make it too big, and then, but this looks small, let's open it up a little bit and place it over the eyelet dye mold, and then you place your washer either side. So this time around, let's use the pretty side up, facing up. I place my washer on it, and I press down the handle again, ensuring it goes all the way down. All right, and perfect. Done with fixing size 22 eyelets, and that's what the back looks like. Lastly, we're going to fix the size 18 eyelets. Remember, the size 18 eyelets does not come with a washer. Rather, it's designed, the edge is actually designed to fold over beautifully well. So to do this, we will remove the previous dye molds and fix in the size 18 dye mold. Here is the size 18 dye mold that we'll be using today. That's it. And this is the upper dye mold that will go up there. Perfect. Now we place the eyelets ring over the lower mold, and as usual, we make a tiny hole. We make it all just sufficient for this eyelet to sit over. Remember, it shouldn't be too much, just a little bit. I'm going to snipe it just a little bit. So I have my old sniped there, and I'm going to place it. I need to place that. Great. Unlike other eyelets, where we would have had to put the washer on that place, remember that the size 16 and size 18 eyelets don't come with washers. They've already been designed that way. The last step is to press down the handle of your grain machine that way, also ensuring it goes all the way down, and you release it, and ta-da, you are done. And wow, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Can you see? And this is the other part of it. Very neat, very beautiful, pretty to watch. Thank you for watching today, and to have a blessed day ahead. Bye. Hello friends, let's quickly go through what we just made. Remember, this size 30 eyelet is used for bag holes where you can place your handles through. That's what it looks like. That's how big it is. And next is the size 22, which is usually used for corsets, hooks. And then you have size 18, which is used for shoes, basically your sneakers, where you have to pass the rope through. And of course, they can be used for different other items. Eyelets is a versatile one, and we encourage everyone to get one of those eyelets die molds. And of course, ensure you buy your grain machine from House of Molake. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.